Hello, and welcome to Gallery Teachers. Today, we talk about European countries and nationalities. Are you ready? Let's go. Someone from Albania is Albanian. Someone from Andorra is Andorran. Someone from Austria is Austrian. Someone from Belarus is Belarusian. Someone from Belgium is Belgian. Someone from Bosnia-Herzegovina is Bosnian. Someone from Bulgaria is Bulgarian. Someone from Croatia is Croatian. Someone from Cyprus is Cypriot. Someone from Czech Republic is Czech. Someone from Denmark is Danish or Dane. Someone from Estonia is Estonian. Someone from Finland is Finnish. Someone from France is French. Someone from Germany is German. Someone from Greece is Greek. Someone from Hungary is Hungarian. Someone from Iceland is Icelander. Someone from Ireland is Irish. Someone from Italy is Italian. Someone from Kosovo is Kosovar or Kosovan. Someone from Latvia is Latvian. Someone from Liechtenstein is Liechtensteiner. Someone from Lithuania is Lithuanian. Someone from Luxembourg is Luxembourger. Someone from North Macedonia is Macedonian. Someone from Malta is Maltese. Someone from Moldova is Moldovan. Someone from Monaco is Monegasque, Monacan, or Monacoian. Someone from Montenegro is Montenegrin. Someone from the Netherlands is Dutch or Netherlander. Someone from Norway is Norwegian. Someone from Poland is Polish. Someone from Portugal is Portuguese. Someone from Romania is Romanian or Romanian. Someone from Russia is Russian. Someone from San Marino is Sammarinese. Someone from Serbia is Serbian. Someone from Slovakia is Slovakian. Someone from Slovenia is Slovenian. Someone from Spain is Spanish. Someone from Sweden is Swedish. Someone from Switzerland is Swiss. Someone from Turkey is Turkish. Someone from Ukraine is Ukrainian. Someone from the United Kingdom is British. Someone from Vatican City is a Vatican citizen. So, where are you from? What is your nationality? Write it down in the comments below. And now, watch our next video about languages.